अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि व्हाट इज लिंग्विस्टिक्स, सो आप क्या जवाब देंगे? लिंग्विस्टिक इज द साइंटिफिक एंड सिस्टमैटिक स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेज। बट have you people understood what actually linguistic and this definition means? No. So come on, I'm gonna tell you the gist and easiest comprehensible definition of linguistic in a way that you have not been taught yet. Okay, so बनिए रहिएगा इस वीडियो के अंदर आखिर तक और लिंग्विस्टिक की डेफिनेशन आज सीख कर ही जाइएगा। Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope that you all are doing great and well. This is Muhammad Qureshi, your English tutor, and welcome to the Grammar Garden channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the definition of linguistic in a way that you have not been taught and you people still don't know what actually linguistic is. हमें क्या हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में पढ़ाया गया है कि लिंग्विस्टिक जो है वो एक साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेज है, बट क्या हमें समझाया भी गया? और अगर समझाया गया तो क्या हमने समझा भी? नहीं। तो आज मैं आपको लिंग्विस्टिक को इतने अच्छे अंदाज में बयान करने जा रहा हूँ, ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ कि छोटा सा बच्चा भी होगा ना, वो भी समझ जाएगा कि असल में लिंग्विस्टिक है क्या चीज़। ओके, सो आप सब तो मैच्योर है, आप सब लिंग्विस्टिक्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो आप सबको ये डेफिनेशन याद ही होनी चाहिए और आपको पता होना चाहिए जब आप एक्सप्लेन करें, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन हो यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे या कहीं पर भी, सो आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इसके डेफिनेशन और इसको समझा सकें। ओके ओके, लेट मी डिफाइन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लिंग्विस्टिक बाय दिस वर्ड। लुक एट दिस वर्ड, अनफ्रेंडली। A non-linguist might just see it as a single word, but a linguist would see it unfriendly. A linguist would break it down into its meaningful parts that are called morphemes. एक linguist जो होगा ना, वो इस word unfriendly को मुख्तलिफ parts के अंदर define करेगा, जो कि meaningful parts होंगे, जिन्हें हम morphemes कह देते हैं। Look at this un, un. Un is a prefix that means not, friend. Friend, the root of the word that means a person you like or with whom you live. And ly is a suffix that turns the noun into an adjective, changing its meaning. So when we connect these three morphemes together, unfriendly, so unfriendly becomes an adjective that means a person who is not affable. So linguistic is the study of how we combine these meaningful units together to form a new word and to change their meanings. This is why the walk and walks are different. S is a morpheme that adds meaning of third person singular. So the sound system of language, phonology. Think about the sound of the letter P and B. You know, they sound different. But why? A linguist would study the precise way your mouth, tongue, and vocal cords produce these sounds. They would notice that when you say the letter P, so you produce a sound like puff, that is called aspiration. They would notice that when you say P in word like pin, so you produce a small puff of air called aspiration. You don't in the word spin. This is a subtle and important part of how English works. The meaning of language in context, I mean pragmatics. So pragmatic क्या है? आइए इसे एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। एग्जाम्पल है, do you have the time? Now, surface level, it is a question about if the front person whom the question is asked pauses the time. But in reality, you are not asking about if a person owns the concept of time. In reality, you are asking about what time it is. I hope pragmatics definition you would have understood. So now for more clear understanding, I'm giving you another example. If a person asks you, can you pass me the salt? So this is, if we see pragmatically, so this is a request to pass in the salt shaker. It is not just a question, but if we see on the surface level, so it is a question. It's cold in here can be a subtle way to ask someone to close the window and doors because he or she is feeling so cold and he wants the temperature to get somehow high. Let's talk about socio-linguistics. That means language in society. Okay, now imagine how you talk to your best friend and how you talk to your boss at the office. It would be probably different from according to whom you are talking to. If you are talking to your parents, so your way of talking would probably be different. And if you are talking to your best friend, if you are having a conversation with them, so you would be talking in a different way. While if you are talking to your boss or teacher, so it would be totally different. This is social linguistics. You might use different slangs, sentences, and also structures, and even tones and voice. So a social linguist would study about how your language changes according to the context in the society or based on your social context. So this was all about linguistics that I told you in a way that you have never been taught or you have never been understood and comprehended. ओके, सो आज तक आपको इस अंदाज में लिंग्विस्टिक ना ही समझ आई थी और ना ही आपने समझी थी, बट अब ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको लिंग्विस्टिक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ आ जानी चाहिए और आ गई होगी। सो आज के लिए इतना ही। आगे हम पढ़ेंगे लिंग्विस्टिक्स की बेसिक टर्म्स और लिंग्विस्टिक के बारे में बहुत कुछ। सो अभी के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज।